Hi guys, Chet here. If you've been exploring tools to improve your outbound sales strategy, chances are Lusha has popped up on your list. It's a B2B contact data platform designed to help sales reps, recruiters, and marketers reach the right people faster with verified emails and direct phone numbers. In this video, I will break down everything that you need to know about Lusha, its features, strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about what Lusha actually is. At its core, Lusha helps you find contact details for decision makers at companies you want to reach, whether you're prospecting through LinkedIn, company websites, or even CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot. Lusha's browser extension and web app let you quickly pull up accurate contact info in just a few clicks. It's built to speed up your lead generation process and keep your pipeline filled with verified data. Now let's talk about the features. Lusha provides access to direct dials, work emails, and company information across millions of business profiles. Its Chrome extension works seamlessly on LinkedIn and lets you save contacts directly to your list. There's also an advanced search function where you can filter by company, size, location, job, title, or industry. The platform includes tools like contact enrichment and bulk exporting, which can be very helpful when you're building outreach campaigns at scale. Now, for teams, there are collaboration tools needed to share leads and track activity across the workspace. Now, one of the biggest strengths of Lusha is its simplicity and its speed. It's one of those tools that requires almost no learning curve. The data is usually spot on and updated frequently, which means fewer bounced emails and wrong numbers. Plus, the ability to export contacts directly into your CRM or outreach platform makes it very easy to plug Lusha into your existing workflow. Another big plus is the flexible credit system, which gives you the freedom to search based on your usage without committing to unnecessary features. But of course, Lusha does have limitations. The most noticeable limitation is that it's mainly focused on contact information. You won't find full sales automation, pipeline tracking, or email sequencing tools built in. Also, credits can run out quickly if you're doing high volume prospecting, so you may need to upgrade often. While the data accuracy is generally strong, it's still a good idea to double check before launching big campaigns, especially with international leads. Furthermore, pricing can get a bit confusing for first-time users. Lusha uses that credit-based system I mentioned a moment ago, so what you pay depends on how many contacts you need access to per year. The good news is you can start small and scale as needed. So let's take a look at the pricing. Lusha offers a free plan with 70 credits per month. The Pro plan is priced at $22.45 per month billed annually and gives you access to 3,600 credits per year. The premium plan costs $52.45 per month. That is billed annually and includes 9,600 credits per year. For larger teams, there's a scale plan with custom pricing and tailored features, which requires contacting sales. So overall, Lusha is a great fit for anyone who wants fast, reliable contact data without getting lost in all these complex features. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe there at the bottom of the screen. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.